Look at the cows. Yeah, that's why you ride outside. Get something enjoyable. Hola, my friends. Morning. Yes, beautiful, beautiful. Yes, yes, yes. You see it. That's why you get outside. Hey, what's up, man? Woody, Woodchip, whatever your name may be. Love it. Okay, we're outside, guys. You gotta love it, man. That's why you ride. Get the hell away from the city. Keep your mind right. That's why we do what we do. And I'm out here, this fucking youngster killing me and shit, all this fucking spring and shit. Hey, it's all fixed here, gotta love it. No complaints. We're not old yet. Okay, let's keep rolling. Yeah. Y'all wondering what the hell I'm doing up in the hills and in the mountains and stuff with the other people and stuff. Yeah, we out here having fun and stuff. Watch out for them rocks and stuff, man. Stuff gets falling down. But, yeah, that's the canyons and all that stuff. And hey, you gotta love it. Fixed gear. Hey, look at the mouth of the beast, you guys. Yeah. What's up, y'all? That is your lovely Cogswell Dam. We outside. All fixed gear. It don't hurt. Just keep pedaling. Just keep pedaling. Gotta love it. Hey, they say steel is real. It's a steel back there. Nice. Hi, man. Beastie. Oh, in the cut. See right there. There you go. Beastie in the cut. The roads lead to all types of places, folks. As long as you stay motivated, dedicated, and committed to what you do, folks. Just keep pedaling. Just remember, life is what you make of it, folks. Wherever you're going, hey, just keep pedaling. It ain't gonna last forever. You gotta love it. That's the Cogswell. Just keep pedaling off this field. There is no pain. Just pain. Love it. There is no coasting on this planet. Just keep pedaling, folks. Enjoy it.